10-7. He got 2 points deducted. That's it. Stop the fight. There's no point. He's got to defend it. He's got to move out of here. And the referee has given him enough.
April 21, 2023 ay matapang na dumayo ang Pinoy na si RJ Ortega na isang professional MMA fighter sa bansang Indonesia para kasahan itong napakaangas at bordadong pambato ng Iran na sinabi Ariana. May record ang Pinoy dito na 5 wins, 3 losses, habang 5 wins, only 1 defeat naman si Ariana. Bukod sa isa lang ang talo nitong kalaban ay mas matangka din siya kay kabayan. Kaya naman, nag-uumapaw ang bilib sa sarili na di magtatagal sa laban itong Pinoy na si Ortega. Weigh-in pa lang ay gigil na itong si Ariana. Gusto na agad sapakin at lapain ang Pinoy. Minamaliit si kabayan. Walang mapaglagyan ang kahambugan nitong Iranian. Pero sa likod ng malamafya at bordado nitong katawan ay nag-aabang pala sa kanya ang karma sa araw ng kanilang bakbakan. Walang nagawa ang angas ni Ariana sa laban. Buo ang tapang na bitbit ng Pinoy sa bakbakan. Pinahiya lang ni Ortega itong mas matangkad at malamafya na kalaban. Main event ang kanilang laban. Introduction pa lang ay bastos na agad itong si Ariana habang tamang relax lang ang Pinoy na si Ortega.
Presenting Iran and fighting HAMB0G fight team, ladies and gentlemen, the Iranian warrior Ariana Nabi! Fighting out of Checkmat, the pride of the Philippines, RJ Little Bones Ortega!
Do you believe this is at 66 kilograms in featherweight?
First round, agresibo agad ang Iranian. Balak agad katayin at lapain si kabayan.
The Iranian warrior immediately going to work, and the referee's going to get a workout here. Standing guillotine. Oh, hang on. He's got it deep. But if Ortega can pass guard, big knees here. Now he's out of it. Twisting. Again. Watch out. A slip, and that puts him in a worse position now. Oh, big elbow. We haven't seen a lot of knees from this position as well. Defend that takedown. Has he used up his arms? Oh, not yet. Left in this 3-round affair. Our main event of the evening. Big shots. He's got a referee admonishing him for shots to the back of the head. But look at this, RJ Ortega. It's the strength differential between these two men. Big shots here. Nothing landing clean. Ortega seems fine. He needs to finish this fight soon. Big hammer fist. But RJ Ortega, are we going to see a soccer kick? You can't stomp your opponent on the ground. Those were the soccer kick. Here we go. Oh, big right hand. Huge right hand. He's off Fleet Street. He's rocked hard. Is he going to slam him? Oh! He can look to knee. He can look submission here on him. Oh, he doesn't quite have it yet. And look at his RJ trying to count him into him. He's almost got it. Oh, but just the leverage. Oh, he looked for the armbar there for a second. But no, he's looking for the knockout. Oh, big shots. Oh, he's got it. RJ, big shot. Picks him up. Boom! Straight to the mat, and you can see the man. RJ not backing down. He's making a fight out of it. A lot of power. Straight into mount now. 10 seconds to go, but in mount position. And RJ, though, room. Oh, man. Armbar. Is he going to have the time? Does he have the time? Does he? Ah, he's got it. He's got the armbar. He's got it. 10 seconds. Can he hold on? He's going to break that arm. No, he's going to break that arm. No, he's saved by the bell. Saved by the bell.
Nagtapos ang unang round na agresibo ang Iranian sa unang minuto pero bumawi ang Pinoy sa mga huling minuto at muntik pang mabalian ng kamay itong hambog na kalaban. Buti na lang na save by the bell itong Iranian. Second round, dahan-dahan ng nakarma itong si Ariana. gumagamit na ito ng mga ipinagbabawal na teknik at nadidaksyonan pa siya sa laban.
Comes over. But man, out. Who's got the stones to take this to the end? Big leg kick, hammer fist. Right hand by RJ. Again, another leg kick. Oh, calf kick. Big calf kick. And again, oh, take down. Wait. No, he's holding the ropes. That's not right. He's holding the ropes. That's illegal. Now I would call that point deduction. Hey, that's illegal. That's an illegal move. No, he's complaining of a groin shot, but I didn't see a groin shot. Here we go. RJ Ortega in top position. And here we go. He needs to buck his hips, get out of there. But RJ is targeting that arm. He's going to look for that armbar again. He senses the armbar. He needs to pepper him with shots. Hammer fist over and over again. Man, Bob Sapp, this is your specialty, isn't it? He's great point himself. Now he's complaining. Filipino corner is just livid. You can see the corner is he's deducted 2 points. 2 points. This is the last thing that we see. And if the fighter is unable to answer the call, you need to either step in. Now you can see RJ is upset. Time in. You can't sit down. If he can't continue, it's over.
Who's going on? Who's winning? What's going on?
If he can't continue, it's over.
That's right.
He's at his
You gotta
corner.
Come back in and step in.
The crowd is going livid. They're booing him. He needs to get back in that position. In mount and
In full mount.
here we go. Bang, bang, boom. Pound and pound and ground and pound. He wants his retribution. He's getting his retribution. He knows he's got him hurt. And he's trying to fight back. But it's just, RJ is just being brutal in that position though. He has a long time. There have been a lot of breaks in this round. Armbar, he's looking for that again. Elbow, big elbow. He's isolated arm. Oh, we might see an end here. We might see a finish here, my friend. Big shots. Oh man, they're big. I think we're close to the end here. Oh, elbow. Man. RJ is getting tired of hitting him. His midsection's open. He can land elbows to the midsection. RJ wants to hit him as soon as he can because this is a grueling fight. Oh, man. Oh, come on. A beautiful elbow. Again and again. And he's looking for that arm. Watch that arm. RJ's got a lot of time to work here.
There it is.
Another elbow. Oh, big shot. I mean, stop the fight. This is it. He's not defending himself effortlessly. He's looking for the armbar. He's looking for a key lock here. He can put his left wrist underneath and grab a hold of his forearm. Kimura! Or straight armbar. Elbows. Again. There. Tired, thin fight. Fight night. Oh man, great round and pound. I want to see what condition he's in. Oh my God, he needs help to get up.
Ilang beses tinadtad ng mga kamao at siko itong maangas na bordado.
Hang on a second. He needs to get off the skirting. Sprawl. They got to break this up and get this back to the center. But I fear that he won't. I fear his opponent doesn't have enough to get up. No, you know what? Stop the fight. They should stop the fight. No, come on. No, stop the fight. Because if you can't defend yourself after a point, you're just going to eat shots. And now this is a replay of the last round. 10-7, he got 2 points deducted. That's it, stop the fight. There's no point. I think, this would be the greatest moment for an armbar because I don't think he'll be able to defend himself. And
He's just working on the ground and pound game now. I think he's just taking a moment.
no, I mean, sometimes, with his long limbs, you can't get through.
Right now next to the ropes.
This referee is just letting it go on. I would say
Stand him up.
stand him up or stop the fight because that's enough because he's not advancing. He's not able to defend himself.
The time.
Now, come on. From here, I would just, again, elbow. Beautiful elbow.
Stand him up.
It's you know, it's a very difficult call to stand somebody up from Mount. It's controversial. Kimura again. Kimura attempt. He's got to defend. He's got to move out of here. And the referee has given him enough. There's a head and arm choke there as well. The decision. A unanimous attempt. Lopsided one. Lopsided decision. Finally for the Filipino team as they able to eke out a win. Brought home the victory.
Third round, dominado pa din ng Pinoy ang buong laban. Kaya naman, nagtapos ang 3 round na laban na pabor kay Kabayan. Upset win para sa Pinoy na si Ortega, habang itong hambog na Iranian ay nilapa ng karma.